Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we will be discussing about GCE AS and A-Level Past Paper 9709, Paper 32, May-June 2022. The complex number -1 plus square root of 7i is denoted by u. It is given that u is the root of the equation 2x cubed plus 3x squared plus 14x plus k equals to 0, where k is a real constant. Find the value of k. So for this, since it said that u is the root of the equation, so we can say that f minus 1 plus square root of 7i that is equals to 0. So we just have to substitute the x with -1 plus square root of 7i. So this case will get plus square root of 7i cubed plus 3 times -1 plus square root of 7i square plus 14 times -1 plus square root of 7i plus k equals to 0. Okay, now we will expand the bracket. This will become 1 plus 7i square minus 2 square root of 7i times -1 plus square root of 7i, and then we have plus 3 times 1 minus 2 square root of 7i plus 7i square minus 14 plus 14 square root of 7i plus k equals to 0. Since I square is -1, so we'll just have to change that to -1. So like here we will become like 1 minus 7 minus 2 square root of 7i times -1 plus square root of 7i plus 3 times 1 minus 2 square root of 7i minus 7 minus 14 plus 14 square root of 7i plus k equals to 0. So next we get 2 times -6 minus 2 square root of 7i times -1 plus square root of 7i plus 3 times -6 minus 2 square root of 7i, and then again minus 14 plus 14 square root of 7i plus k equals to 0. So now we have 2 times 6 minus 4 square root of 7i minus 14i square minus 18 minus 6 square root of 7i, and then minus 14 plus 14 square root of 7i plus k equals to 0. Now this become 2 times 20 minus 4 square root of 7i minus 32 plus 8 square root 8 square root of 7i plus k equals to 0. So once I expand the bracket, so this become 40 minus 8 square root of 7i minus 32 plus 8 square root of 7i plus k equals to 0. So here the last part we have 8 plus k equals to 0, so the k is -8. Okay, find the other two roots of the equation. As we know, for the for the complex number roots, it comes in one pair. And we know that the first root is minus 1 plus square root of 7i. So the second root would be minus 1 minus square root of 7i, or the conjugate. So the three roots is x minus x1 times x minus x2 times x minus x3. So first we can find this part by substituting the x1 and x2. So x minus minus 1 plus square root of 7i times x minus minus 1 minus square root of 7i. Now let's do the multiplication. So we will get x squared minus minus 1 minus square root of 7i x minus minus 1 plus square root of 7i x plus 1 minus 7i square. Then next we expand the bracket, so we get x squared plus x plus square root of 7i x and plus x minus square root of 7i x plus 8. So we cancel this and we will get x squared plus 2x plus 8. So to find the third root, we can use the division method. Let me put on a new page. So the main equation would be 2x cubed plus 3x squared plus 14x minus 8, and the equation we just get is x squared plus 2x plus 8. So you get 2x, here 2x cubed plus 4x squared plus 16x, and then we'll get minus x squared minus 2x minus 8. Here we get minus 1. So minus x squared minus 2x minus 8. So the remainder is 0. So the third root would be 2x minus 1, or x equals to half. So the first root, just now let me write it again. So x1 is minus 1 plus square root, minus 1 plus square root of 7i. x2 is minus 1 minus square root of 7i, and x3 is half. So this is the final answer. On an Argand diagram, sketch the locus of points representing complex number z. Satisfy the equation z minus u equals to 2. So we can get the center of locus equals to u, which is minus 1 plus square root of 7i, and then we have a radius of 2, so radius equals to 2. Okay, so square root of 7, that is around 2.645. So minus 1 to square root of 7, so that is around here, and then we just need to draw the locus. Let me use few points to help me. Okay, that is our Argand diagram. Determine the greatest value of Argand Z for points on this locus, giving your answer in radian. So first I'll just copy paste my Argand diagram from the previous question. Now to find the greatest angle, the greatest value of Argand Z, we can write like this. So this is the greatest angle. Okay, so first of all, we know that this is on second quadrant, so we just put this part is pi over 2. Then next we need to find the rest of it. Okay, we can find part of the angle using the center of the locus. So here we have -1 and we have square root of 7i. So we can use that. Let's say I have this is beta, so beta is arctangent of 1 over square root of 7. So that would be 0.36137 radian. And for the final part, let's say I put this as gamma. Okay, to find gamma we need to find this hypotenuse. Okay, so the hypotenuse of this is square root of -1 square plus square root of 7 square. So that would be square root of 8. So we have square root of 8 here, and then next we can find the gamma by using arc sine. Okay, this is the radius, so this is 2 of 2 over square root of 8. So that is 1 over 4 pi. So the total angle for this alpha, that is half pi plus quarter pi plus 0.36137. So that is around 2.72 radian. So that's all for today's video. Hope you find it useful. If you have any question or suggestion, please don't hesitate to leave a comment below. Last but not least, don't forget to like, subscribe and ring the bell for more awesome video. See you in the next video.